They say, yo, tell us about yourself. He said, well, I came to America in 1928. Someone from the Philippines brought me over, and a man named Mr. Duncan saw me. Turned me into one of America's favorite toys. You know, the great thing about the yo-yos is not only can all of you play with yo-yos, your moms and dads have played with yo-yos, and probably your grandpas and grandmas. So they've been around a long time. They asked him his second question. They said, yo, what is it that you do best? And he said, well, I'm at my very best. I'm spinning fast at a 90-degree angle from the floor. It's a form of math called geometry. If you throw him to the right or the left, he doesn't work nearly as well as he does straight up and down. Well, the questions got harder and harder, and pretty soon Yo realized he was not going to get a job working on computers. Now, we know Yo's only in the second grade, but Yo owns a motorcycle. So he went on a big, long motorcycle ride. My motorcycle has a cold today, sorry. Social studies. Reading. Art. Right, here's our last one. And math, very good. I'm going to show these guys and I'm going to show all of you, so hold on. I don't know if you can see those. Yeah, I had them fall out one time when I was in Kansas City. They really want stuff to fall out of your brain. Brain does an amazing thing, takes the subjects we study in school. Olivia, can you pull that orange one back out for us? Takes those subjects, turns them into intelligence. It is awesome. Give these guys a big hand, they're great helpers. Wall Street. We went to one of those buildings and Yo took the elevator. He looked around and says, you know, Tim, he said, I think I want to get a job working at Wall Street. And he said, Yo, if you're going to work at Wall Street, you're going to have to be really good at math. And I heard the students here are really good at math. Is that true? We're going to find out. I'm going to trade yo-yos. This is Yo's little cousin, Pro Yo. Says right on him. It's a great yo-yo for looping. That's what looping looks like. We're going to do a little looping, count the loops, get some numbers, and do some math. We need to find out who's here. If you're in 5th grade, raise your hand. I heard you were on this side, okay? And 6th graders, raise your hands. All right. So usually, like yesterday afternoon, I was in a school, was kindergarten through, I think, 6th grade, and usually I will loop 4 times and 5